Greetings. You may ask, what makes this guy Botman? I've been creating and implementing workflow and automated task completion for many years. I will go over the tools I've learned and how you can implement them in real-world applications. I've been creating these for business and personal use. Let's get started. I found the easiest method to start your bot learning is iMacros. iMacros is a great container to create versatile and meaningful automation with simple features. These steps will introduce simple features of the program plus a very simple script to get started. Step 1. Download a trial of iMacros. You can try it free for 30 days. Within your first few days, you will find the power of iMacros astonishing. Go to imacros.net/download. There are two versions of iMacros, the iMacros for development and the macro player. The development tool is fully functional. The player can only play recorded macros. The only thing that separates them is the license key. Explore. When I first was introduced to iMacros, I hit up their wiki. There's a lot of good information, but not everything fits into every need. Open up iMacros and start to explore the basic functions. Step 3. Click on some of the demos on the left. Watch them run. Just double click. You can see the syntax of the iMacro scripts plus how they are manipulating the websites. Step 4. Record something simple. Hit the record button on the left. In the address bar, type in google.com. In the search bar, type in I'm Botman Blogger, then hit search. Hopefully this page will show up on the search results. If not, click on any link. After you've loaded the next page, click stop on the left. This will save the current iMacros file as #current.iim. You can rename this later after you've created something meaningful. Let's review my code. Here is the full macro code. Line number 1. This code specifies the version of iMacros used to record the macro. This code specifies the tab to go to. Like Chrome and Internet Explorer, iMacros is equipped with multiple tabs. This code specifies to close all other open tabs. This is important if you are testing or running macros on the same session without closing. This resets the position so all prior recorded functions match the proper tag. This code specifies a specific number of seconds to wait between each playback command. This code specifies a web address to navigate to. This code specifies a manual comment and code. You can see in my recording that you manually type in. It has no real impact on the macro, but it can be critical back to your troubleshooting later. In the video, our code ran too fast, so I commented the reason why I put in the delay. This code specifies a form input field that has been selected. ATT equals name:*Q indicates the Q field has been selected. Content equals specifies the content going into the field. You will notice that spaces are replaced with greater than, SP, less than. Spaces will return a programming error when manually input. This code specifies a delay. iMacros will wait until all HTML functions have been loaded to move to the next line of code. These delays allow for events like JavaScript to execute after the page is fully rendered. This code specifies a button click. The type specifies what type of element to click on. ATTR equals name specifies the name of the element to click on. This code specifies a new text input into the text field. This code, like above, specifies the navigation to a new URL. This code specifies clicking on a specific link on the page. It's just the HTML tag with the value I'm Botman. This code specifies a simple textual element to click on the web page. Let's review what we've learned. We've identified the container and the program to unlock web automation. We've created our first mini-bot process. We've identified basic fundamental features of iMacros. We've seen the syntax that iMacros utilizes to execute web automation. Feel free to leave some comments if you would like to see some other specific examples on this page or on the YouTube demo as shown at the top. Feel free to leave us some comments if you would like to see some other specific examples. I'm Botman.